World Seagrass Day is observed every year on 1st March. In May 2022, the United Nations General Assembly officially declared this day to highlight the urgent need to protect and restore seagrass ecosystems. But what exactly is seagrass, and why does it matter? Seagrasses are marine flowering plants found in shallow coastal waters, from tropical seas to even near the Arctic. They form vast underwater meadows that are among the most productive ecosystems on Earth. Although seagrasses cover only 0.1% of the ocean floor, they support thousands of marine species, including fish, turtles, and seahorses, and sustain some of the world's largest fisheries. Seagrasses also act as natural water filters, improving water quality and reducing pollution in seafood. They are powerful carbon sinks, storing up to 18% of the ocean's carbon, helping fight climate change and reduce ocean acidification. Along coastlines, they reduce wave energy, protecting communities from floods and storms. However, seagrasses are under serious threat. Since the 1930s, seagrass meadows have been declining globally, with about 7% lost every year. Today, 21% of seagrass species are considered threatened due to pollution, coastal development, climate change, dredging, and unregulated fishing. The good news is, protection works. Where human pressures are reduced, seagrass meadows are recovering. Conservation and restoration efforts help protect biodiversity, strengthen coastal resilience, and support livelihoods. Protecting seagrass supports multiple sustainable development goals, contributes to climate targets under the Paris Agreement, and plays a key role in the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Simply put, healthy seagrass means a healthy ocean, resilient coasts, and a healthier planet.